channel. My name is Gladys. On today's video, we will be arranging my bathroom, but before that I want to show you guys how the bathroom looks right now and a few things I got to make it look way better. With that being said, let's go ahead and start the video. First thing I'll be doing is arranging these face towels, which the space is not really big here, so I will have to do them over here and then I'll bring it back here. Fixing the shelves. As you saw there in the bathroom, I only have one shelf and I got these two shelves over here from Amazon. I'm yet to unbox it and fingers crossed, I hope they don't rust. Let's do the unboxing first. I just unboxed them and they look so good. They are actually two, as you can see, and they have extra two hooks over here, maybe if I want to have my sponge, and the other one doesn't have a hook, which is pretty much okay. The quality looks so good. It doesn't look like it's going to rust. And these are the stickers I'm gonna use for the wall. It comes with 3 stickers, as you can see. So all I have to do is basically open over here and just wrap this straight sticker to the wall. And they are two, and actually I just realized that there is an extra bonus sticker. So if I somehow fix it in the wrong way, I have another extra one to do it right, which is really good. So let's go ahead and fix the shelves. Here I'm just trying to see which is the best location before I start putting these things on the wall. I think this is very okay. I don't want to put them very up because I don't want to be struggling when I'm reaching for any product while showering. And the next one, I think this will be a perfect place because they are two. And one thing I forgot to mention, guys, once I put on these shelves, I'm not supposed to put any product yet until 12 hours, so that I will give the sticker more time for it to stick properly on the wall. So I think now I can start putting it. Sticker is done. I want to give it some time before I can hang the shelf and then on to the next one. So I'm done with setting up the two some time before I put on the shelves like I said, but for the products I have to wait for 12 hours before I can set them on, so I'll probably have to wait for that time. This is after 6 hours. Actually, I stayed much longer to give it some time, and now I'm going to go ahead and put on the shelves so that I'll transfer all the shower gels and scrub inside the packet. These look very good and they are very strong. I'm so glad I was patient to wait for 6 hours. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing is transferring all the body scrubs and shower gels here to make it look a bit more organized, because they have piled up here and it doesn't look good at all. I'll be arranging my skincare products on this towel tray I got. It's a wooden towel tray. It's really nice. They were actually selling fragile ones and I was like, no, I don't want to keep on breaking things. And I actually bought two. They are so beautiful. And the fact like they are wooden, that's what really caught my attention. So let's go ahead and arrange. It's way big. Now on this space, it's pretty much filled up with so many things, and I want to remove this vase. And let's see if I have some space over here. And, yeah, that works. Yeah, it looks good. I think I'm gonna keep this vase here, and over here I need to clear all these things from here, and I need to figure out where I'm going to keep them because they don't really look good on top. the space is finally open like I wanted, and I have this vase. It's been empty for the longest time. I figured I needed some pampas grass to fill it up, and I ordered from Shein. I really couldn't get pampas grass anywhere. I tried looking, but I ended up having to buy online. But I hope it's what I ordered though. Let's see. When I actually opened this pampas grass, when they are like this, I didn't know they're gonna turn out this beautiful and full. Look at that, they're very soft actually, and they look so full. And I think they're only, how many? I think only 4 if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3. No, they're actually 3. And look at that vase, it turned out to be so beautiful. They are so full like I wanted, and I am happy with my purchase. This is the rag I've been using for a long time. It's actually a towel-like rag, and I really needed to change it. So I went to home center and I got this rag over here. It's a mat actually. It's very beautiful. It comes in 2 pairs. So there is this one for the toilet area, this one, and then there is this big one for the entryway to the bathroom. And because the one I'm using right now, it's actually a bit old. Not even a bit old. This mat is very old. I've had it for the longest time, but I really love it. It has served me for a very long time, but it's time for change, and I just have to clean it and maybe put it away for now, because I have this set, and this is what I'll be using for now. So let's go ahead and set it up. And I am done making over my bathroom, or rather arranging the bathroom. But of course I have to end this video by setting the mood with this raspberry with vanilla candle. I got it at Bath & Body and it smells divine. And that was it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. I hope this video inspires you to do something for your bathroom. And please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.